everybody, my name's Ben from the Fuzzbees. This is I'm pretty sure this will be uploaded second, it probably will be, unless we make another video, but hopefully this is a combination video, includes all of the Fuzzbees, but we're going to recruit Sam DiMatteo, the uptight gamer. We're going to recruit him. In fact, we might even recruit him in this video. I don't know if it was before this or not. I don't know what's going to happen. This might be the only vlog that's in it. So, I'm at the farm. So, cows in their natural habitat. Staying my distance in case they come out with the raging udder. I shouldn't be worried about them. They're just minding their own business. Well, they are watching me, but they won't come any closer. There is literally 50 flies on me. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can. Look at the size of that. Alright, I'm just gonna end this video and start. It's a hard knock life for us. What's up, guys? My battery ran out and I was charging up for a couple hours. It's full charge now. Yep. And he's Pudgy. You may have seen him in my other channel's videos. You may have seen Lucky too. But yeah, they've grown a lot. Just to show you, here's my hand compared to them. Look at my foot compared to them. Yeah. And my shoe's pretty big. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head off to anyway. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, see you when I do something. Right, guys, this is the next day. I'm at the hay bales. I didn't make it last time because I fell off the fence and broke my spine, and I'm on a wheelchair, as you can't see because that's a lie. I want to die. Anyway, guys, Jesus, there it goes. Oh my god. Whenever I look away. So I'm looking away, look.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E.
Right, I'm about to go up there. Up there. Time for the thumbnail. Alrighty then, let's go and do some more stuff. Alright guys, I have just made a slingshot. If you can't see that, I'll just do some just videoing it. Just now I'm gonna be shooting gum nuts into whatever I can, and hope you guys enjoy this vlogs. Hopefully gonna get better, more entertaining for you guys, and yeah, I'll just do some videoing of this and then I'll show you if it works. I haven't tried it out yet, but if it fails, that'll be funny. If it does work, that'll be good. That'll be awesome. So I'm just gonna video it and we'll try it out. to take us to the end of this vlog. I want to keep going, but I'm not sure if I can. If I can, you'll know in the next couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1.